We're going to serve this breakfast style. Because yung mozzarella, ito yung gagawin natin na parang siyang pancake. Pero gagawin natin, lalagyan natin siya ng eggs, tapos lalagyan natin siya ng tomatoes. That is how we're going to serve this. Gets nyo na? And here is our beef sausage with mozzarella pancakes. Hot? Wow! Hello and welcome to Goma at Home. I'm Richard Gomez. Today we are making beef sausage. In Tagalog, longganisang baka. Pero I've tried this kasi sa mga Iranian restaurants, meron silang ganito. But the nice thing about this, it's easy to make it at home. Now all you need to do is just some herbs, some leaves, some spices. Tapos you don't need a wrapper kasi skinless siya. So yun ang gagawin natin today. What I'll do is about a kilo of beef. I'll start with pepper. Yeah, I'll put in our spices first. Yeah. So put in lots of pepper there. Good. Next, put in crushed pepper, red pepper. Yeah. Just to give it a little kick. Okay, they're good. And then put a little paprika. Good. To give you that earthy flavor. Nice. Paprika will give that earthy flavor. And then a little chili seasoning para medyo may konting anghang. I'll just get it. Kasi may buo yun. Ang natin. Okay. Ito, just a tablespoon of that. Good. Then we'll mix it later. We'll mix it thoroughly. Okay. If you have coriander, lagyan ng coriander. And okay. Have about half a tablespoon. And then lagyan ng salt. Okay. Salt here. Goody. We'll put in flour. For 1 kilo, we'll put in about 2 tablespoons of flour. Ito yung pinaka-binder natin to hold it together, kaya pwede tayong mag-skinless, no? Yan siya yun. Okay? And then, we'll put in baking soda. Ito, just to velvet our beef. Konti lang. About half a teaspoon baking soda. That's it. Okay? And then put this here on the side. We'll work on the herbs naman. So we have fresh basil, galing sa garden natin. There. Take out the leaves. Okay. And then some parsley. Put in parsley. Damihan mo kung gusto mo. And then some oregano. Oregano leaves. Also from the garden. Ito talaga, napakalakas ng flavor nito. Ito, pag nilagay mo sa dish, yan talaga yung first na mapapansin mo. So, put it there. We will enjoy the flavor of that. And then celery. Celery, we don't need the stalk. We'll just use the leaves. Okay. So as you can see, it's just a mixture of garden herbs. You know, or kung ano available na herbs sa inyo. Of course, hindi galing sa garden namin to, galing sa grocery to. Oh, sarap kaya nitong celery na to. Yes, yan lang. Sama-sama lang siya na ganun. And then we'll put in onions. Good. Alright. There we go. Ito, hindi kailangan na maliit masyado yung putol. Dice natin siya na rough dice. Yan, no? Ganun lang, oh. Yan. And then, ito rin. Yan, di kailangan pinong-pino. That's it. That's all I want. Okay, hold it. Alright, then we do our garlic. The garlic, you can be generous. Uy, naku, lumipad yung garlic ko. Yun. Okay. Okay. Good. And then, we're going to serve this breakfast style. Kita nyo, kaya naman meron tayong mozzarella dito. Ibig ko sa mozzarella, ito yung gagawin natin na parang siyang pancake. Pero, ang gagawin natin, lalagyan natin siya ng eggs, tapos lalagyan natin siya ng tomatoes. That is how we're going to serve this. Gets nyo na? Diba? Okay? So, we'll cut the garlic into small pieces. We'll mince it. Okay? Yan. So, it's all there. Okay? Now, what I'll do is, I'm going to chop our leaves or herbs. Yan, okay na lang. Yan. Nice. Oh? Yan lang. Sama-sama nyo lang na ganun. Tsaka this, you can prepare this ahead of time. Gawin nyo the night before, and then refrigerate nyo lang. Tapos, if you want to fry it, ilagay nyo lang sa piping bag, then you're good. Alright? So, drop in our herbs, our garlic, our onions, and then we'll mix it. The flour is there, kompleto. Okay? Goodie. Yung cheese natin, mozzarella, tatabi muna natin to, including the eggs. Ito ko siya ilalagay. Okay? And then, mimix muna natin to. Let's mix this. Mix it. Yan lang, no? Yung tayo ng mga Pinoy, hindi tayo masyadong yung hindi tayo mahilig gumamit na ng herbs sa mga meat natin. Usually, pag may nakita tayong meat, gagawin agad natin hamburger. Okay, ginisa, giniling, no? Okay, totorta lang natin. But, ang daming pwedeng paggamitan eh. No? Ng giniling na baka. And this is one of them. Yun. So, ito, ihalo nyo lang ng mabuti. Okay. Kung nabibigatan kayo, you can use a mixer. No? Yan. So, make sure na incorporated na lahat na mabuti. You have to mix it well para yung flour, yung baking soda, pupunta sa lahat ng parts ng beef. Yung iba gusto nilang kakamayan, yeah, use your hands if you want, kung saan ka mas komportable para maghalo ng meat mo. But I'm okay with this. I'm okay with the spatula. This is how I do it. Para kang mixer. Para kang KitchenAid. Nagano mo siya. Good, nice, oh. See? Almost done. I'm almost there. Okay. Good. Make sure incorporated na lahat. Yung salt, yung herbs, no? So, yung flour, yun ang magbabind dun sa sa meat natin para maging parang skinless beef longganisa siya. Okay. Good. Nice. Alright. So, once it's mixed, ilalagay na natin sa piping bag. This is our bag. Pasok na sila sa loob. Let me see kung talagang halong-halo na siya, kung na-mix na siya ng mabuti. Okay, just to double check. So, talaga mix na mix na. Para lahat ng parts ng ground beef, lahat ng ingredients na nilagay natin, meron bango. Wow. Bango niya. Okay. Put it in. Yes. Yeah. Good. Then, bubutasin na natin ito sa dulo. Okay? Yun, no? Okay. Ito muna. Okay? So, what we'll do, we'll hit our skillet. Yan na. Hit natin skillet natin. Depende on how big you want to open, ganun magiging kalaki yung pinaka-sausage mo. So, gusto natin, medyo malaki-laki ng konti sausage. Yan o. So, I will cut it here. Yun. So, then lalagyan siya ng konting olive oil. Okay. Make sure skillet's hot. Put in a little olive oil. There. Para maganda yung browning ng meat natin. And slowly, ikot mo lang to. Push it there. Okay. Yun. Yun yung sausage mo. Yes. Oh? Yes. Isa pa. Okay. We'll cook it 4 at a time. Nice. Cook it 3 minutes per side. Pag nag-brown na yan, we'll turn it. Nice. Yan. Nice. Goody. Yun. Beauty. Wawala dun ah. Sinuel ah. Sige syagit ah. Okay, here we go. So, luto na yung beef natin. Oh. Nice. Okay, next, I'm going to clean this. Ito siya lalagay. And because it's a non-stick pan, all you do is just clean it with, wipe it with, ako, init. Wipe it with paper, tissue paper. There, yun. Ito na skillet. And then, lagyan natin ng mozzarella cheese. Then, we'll make a pancake out of this. Ayan. Then, just let it brown. Bango. Para siyang pizza. Good, very good. Sarap. Ngayon, while you're cooking doon, niya siya ng egg. Yan. 2 eggs. Para mas masarap. Yun. And then tomato. Pancake out of this. Okay? Sarap nito. When you cut into this mozzarella, juicy siya. Paano kasi may egg eh? Tapos meron siyang tomatoes. Nilagyan salt and pepper. Put in salt. Yan. You can put in lots of salt kasi alam niyo yung mozzarella medyo matabang na cheese yan. Then put in black pepper. Nice. Yan na. Goody. We'll check on our mozzarella cheese. Yeah. Ganyan pa nag-brown na siya. At saka na siya i-flip na ganun. Nasa heat, high heat, no? Para maluto ng gusto yung mozzarella mo. And then magba-brown siya. Pag flip mo, para siyang pancake. Yan. Good. Nice. So once we flip this, pag flip natin dito, we can turn up the heat already. Yan na. Ganda na. Ganda na color niya, okay? So it's brown already. And then yung residual heat na lang niya ang magpapatuloy ng pagluto ng mozzarella cheese. So let me flip this. Let's see. Okay, good. Okay, there. Good. Gusto ko lang konti yung cheese para maganda siya. Nice. Good. Nice. Beautiful. Okay. So, we'll plate. Okay, lagyan natin to. Beautiful. Out. And then, lagyan natin yung sausage natin. Ang sausage na to. Beauty. Alright. 1, 2, and 3. Wow! Fantastic! Sabi nga nung Ukrainian friend ko, fantastic ah! Okay. Final touch. A little parsley on top. Make it look good. Really. Yan, good. And some rock salt on top. Alright. And here is our beef sausage with mozzarella pancake. Okay, let's try this. Bako ba, Lisa? Ha? Smile ka naman dyan. Ha? Let's try this. Yun, eh. Bango. Sarap. And then mozzarella. Kaming egg andun. Tapos yung tomato is here. Very mainit. Up. Wow. Kahit na breakfast food to. Grabe. Wow! Ito ba ang diet ko, ani? Harap! Pagkalami. Sabay mo ng aromatic coconut. Wow! Oh. There you go. Yes, it's really filling, no? Ang laki nito. Kung gawin mo siyang breakfast food, you can have it for lunch, you can have it for dinner. Just enjoy it. So please like, share, subscribe, and press on the notification bell. Do it right now, okay? Thank you so much for joining me right here in Goma at Home. Please do this in your own kitchen, share it with your friends, and enjoy it with your family. I'm Richard Gomez. I'll see you next time right here in Goma at Home. Bye.